In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sinking funds in EveryDollar. A sinking fund is a fantastic saving strategy that allows you to set aside a small amount of money each month for a specific purpose or future need. Imagine it like planting seeds, watering them regularly, and one day harvesting exactly what you need. It's a proactive way to tackle big expenses without financial stress as you plan and save gradually. To get started with EveryDollar, open your web browser and go to the EveryDollar website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Once you're in, scroll down until you see the savings section. If you don't have a savings group already set up, you can create a new one. Consider naming it something like Emergency Fund or Job Loss Fund to keep track of different safety nets separately. Next, break your savings into manageable monthly contributions. Think about your overall savings goal and the time frame in which you want to achieve it. For example, if your goal is to save $6,000 in 6 months, divide the total by the number of months. In this case, you'd aim to save $1,000 per month. Go to EveryDollar and enter $1,000 under your emergency fund line item. Remember, this fund is for real emergencies only, such as job loss, medical emergencies, or essential repairs for your home or car. Make sure not to dip into these funds for vacations, wants, or any non-urgent expenses. It's important to stay disciplined so that this money is available for crucial moments when you actually need it. If life throws you a curveball and you have to use your emergency fund, don't worry, that's exactly what it's there for. As soon as you're financially stable again, make it a priority to start rebuilding the fund with regular contributions. This practice ensures you're always prepared for whatever comes next. When managing your emergency fund, keep it in a separate savings account that's easy to access but not too tempting to spend from. Automate your transfers so it becomes a habit, and label your account clearly, something like emergency use only, to help stay disciplined. Remember, losing a job or facing an unexpected expense doesn't have to mean losing your stability. With an emergency fund in place, you have the confidence and freedom to handle life's challenges while you find your next opportunity. EveryDollar helps you treat emergency savings as a crucial part of your monthly budget, not just an afterthought. The sooner you start, the better protected you'll be. So, why not give your future self peace of mind by starting your emergency fund today? Give EveryDollar a purpose, and your financial future will thank you.